Hi, I'm Evie. I'm gonna show you how I do my hair when I have a date night. So first, I'm gonna use the TRESemmé Heat Defense Spray to protect my hair. I'm using a detangler brush to even out the product in my hair. I'm going to section my hair with a comb. For me, just to this side, because this is how I feel most comfortable. Whatever suits you, you do you. I'm going to take a nice clean section and curl it away from my face. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And I'm going to repeat the same direction until I get to the back of my head. So I finished the first side, and now I'm gonna part my hair to be able to reach the lower side of the back of my head easier. For that, I'm gonna use this little clip. So now I'm gonna take a section from the back of my head and curl it in the same direction as I did with the other sections. Hold it again 10 to 15 seconds. There we go. I'm going to take my hair down and continue the same method on the top section. And hold it again for 10 to 15 seconds. And then I continue in the same direction again. So I'm just gonna make 3 smaller sections to get a nice, tight, romantic curl. And I'm still going to curl it in the same direction as I did throughout my hair. I'm going to use a detangler brush to brush out the curls. You might have to use a little bit of strength down there. And then if you want a little bit of a softer look, you can just tease it a little bit at the end to get a little bit more oomph. See the difference? So now I'm going to do the other side. Pull the back a little bit to the front so you get that bit as well. And then obviously you can see whether or not you want more. Push it out a little bit. Just to finish off this look, I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray all over. Don't want to lose a curl. And you're ready to go. Gotta go. Got a date.